Okay, so we're going to talk about how to get back control of your listing. So if you have brand registry 2.0 or even 1.0, you don't need to really worry about this because you should have listing control. So what is listing control? First of all, it's just basically when you make a change to the listing, does the images, does everything update? And that should normally happen within 15 minutes to an hour after you do it. But sometimes this won't get changed. Now, the way that you can do so, if you don't have brand registry, or even if you do, sometimes it will get changed. There is some black hat ways that people have done it to me. But what you're going to want to do is you go down here and you're going to go to report incorrect information, okay? And then essentially just images and whatnot. You would just say other, and then essentially just say that the images are incorrect. Okay, so that's one way that you can do that. And now that is the first way. Then the other one, you're going to go into your Amazon account and open up a case. So I'll go ahead and do that. All right, so then what else you would do is you would go and open up a case with Amazon. You would go to help, and then we hit contact us. And then it should be there, and then essentially you fill that out and you'll get to here. Then you're going to go to products and inventory, product page issues, and then you go to fix a product page, or if it's getting changed on you, you report listing abuse, and this should work. And what the key here is, essentially what you're going to do, you put in all the info here, and then now what you want is you want the website. Okay, so if you haven't watched my video yet, this is why it's so important, even if you don't have brand registry, to have the website, because somebody could come in and change it, and if you have no proof to show that it's actually what it's supposed to be, so then we would show, we would just show, hey, talk about it, show the website, and then have your bullets and your images be the exact same as on Amazon, and then you reference that, and it's the official website of that product. Even though you have a trademark, you have that website and images, and whoever's doing it, they're going to fix that for you. If that still doesn't work, call in to Amazon, okay? And then what you're going to ask is talk to the captive team. Now, they're not going to be able to change it, but they can create a case, and that's going to escalate it, and you're going to get to somebody who actually knows, and normally your problems will get solved. So I hope that this helps, and it should solve all your product page issues, but the key is having the website and having that be exactly how you want it to be on Amazon.